Outdoors with Neil. Outdoors with Neil. Hook set, heart still. Outdoors with Neil. Outdoors with Neil. One clean shot, one big reel. Outdoors with Neil.
Hey y'all, since it was cool this Sunday morning, I decided that I'm going to attempt to move this deer stand that I talked to y'all about the other day. I was going to wait till next weekend, but hey, what better day than a day, right? So follow along as I try to move this deer stand, but I would say that it's more safer if you had two people to move a deer stand, but since it's me and I've done it a couple times, I think I should be okay. Making sure, look at them fire ants. Make sure that stays stable. Let's see if we can get this out. Oh. Like I said before, it would be much safer to have two people to do this, but I am going to attempt to take this down solo. Let's see if I can get this off. Boy, let's see, what does that look like? Oh, he got a good one on there. That's why. Let's see if I can unloosen that thing. Golly. Whew. See, the problem is that this thing has been here for so long. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay. There we go. That's one. Whew. All right. So I don't know what company makes this strap, but it is very good. It's been up here for years. Very hard to take off. All right. Now for the hard part, this old boy here. Okay. Like I said, guys, remember, do not try this if you are not experienced getting this off by yourself. I do not recommend it. Oh, this one is so rusty. Wow. Oh, see? Like I said, guys, do not try this unless you're experienced. Okay. So, we want to use extreme balance. Center your weight straight down the ladder, and luckily I got that safety bar down there, see? So control your weight. This is not a tutorial on how to do this, I'm just telling you what I do. And straight down, do not pull away from the ladder, and there we go. All right, and done. I think what I am going to do is take it out this way. I'll let you fall. There we go. All right. Okay. Yep, we're working smarter today, but okay. I'll tell y'all something else. This Kawasaki Brute Force 300 that I invested in buying is like the best investment I ever did, especially when it comes to fishing and hatching. Fire ants, boy. Something else. So y'all, I have got it in the spot I want it, but I am going to have to spray it down before I even do anything with it. I can't deal with these fire ants. So I came back and I sprayed my deer stand down, and so far I've gotten all the fire ants off of here. I guess it came from that old tree or something like that, right at the ground, wherever that nest was at. So what we're gonna do now is place this on this tree, and hopefully I won't have to do any limbing on this tree, but mostly like I talked about before, that lane down there. So let's see if we can get this old deer stand up. Let's see here. Can I do this? stand to dig into the ground, you know? Alright. Just walk it up. There we go. Just what I wanted. Ooh, perfect. Just what I wanted right there. Secure this space, I strap it around the tree before I go up. That's what I wanted to see. Secure the space. Alright. That way. Alright. I like that. Alrighty. Alright, good. Alright guys, so I am up here in the stand and finally got it up. Everything looks good. Like I was saying before, as you look straight down this corridor here, it's going to be a good shot to get some good deer out of here. Everything is closed in. The only thing I got to worry about is getting the deer to stop once they reach the corn pile or whatever bait I put out there to hold them. And I got to keep my eyes open because they can slip through this brush if I'm not careful, and I'll never see them. So far I'm liking what I'm seeing. I thought about cutting down some of this hanging water oak that's in front of me, but I think I might leave it there for cover because it looks pretty good. And I also like, if you look over this way, over here there's openness there that they can slip through. Last year I've seen some scrapes and rubs in there, so hopefully they'll redo them this year. But so far I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I really am. Not sure if I will cut those other brush out I told you about before that's way down the lane. I'll probably wait till next week to do it, and we'll keep cleaning it up till I get it how I like it. Until next time, that's it.